Established in 1999, we are a door company dedicated to quality, service, and innovation. We boast a diverse product line and a global network. Our goal is to be your one-stop destination for interior and exterior doors, as well as Dr. Hardware. Manufacturing experience leads to quality. We pay meticulous attention to details and develop unique processes to ensure the highest quality products. We commit to excellence at every step. We thoroughly inspect each raw material batch for appearance, size, flatness, moisture, and density, and require supplier reports on physical performance and formaldehyde emissions. Our unique door pressing technique strengthens doors to prevent bending. It also provides additional structural strength where hardware is placed or connections are made. All our machines are engineered for efficient, high-quality door production. We've developed proprietary processes for automated cutting and grooving, which bring wood boards to panels for further processing. Capable of various surface treatment techniques, we can achieve different product appearances and textures to suit diverse customer needs. The process continues with precise cutting and drilling controlled by computer, followed by assembly and packaging. We employ specially designed techniques and protocols to ensure top-class product qualification rates and safety during transportation. Finally, we ship the products overseas in containers, with the capacity to ship hundreds of containers per month. We elevate quality to new heights through rigorous inspections. We adhere to strict quality control standards and conduct thorough spot checks at every stage of the process. Our product qualification rate stands above 99, ensuring that our customers receive products that are high quality, reliable, and safe.
We are around consumers. Our products are sold at top retailers like Home Depot, Wayfair, Amazon, and our website. And they've earned us good reviews from satisfied customers. We're always one step ahead. We're constantly in tune with our customers' needs, launching an average of 5 new products every month and introducing 1 to 2 new product lines each quarter. We're there when consumers need us. With local customer service, we stay closely connected to our consumers. Our established warehouses in Los Angeles, the United States, ensure prompt shipments within 48 working hours. And we've set up a dedicated customer service hotline to address consumer needs promptly. Plus, all our accessories come with a 5-year warranty, and we provide free replacement parts for any issues. Quality, service, and innovation are our core values. We're dedicated to delivering the best door solutions across all categories, setting new standards in innovation and customer satisfaction.